Hello students, I am Priyanka. I am going to teach you computer. Do you like to draw? Do you like to color? Yes, obviously. Drawing is liked by all students, all children. So in our this class we will learn how we can do the drawing, we can draw pictures, we can fill colors on computer. So MS Paint is used for drawing pictures, filling colors, different things we can draw on the MS Paint. We will learn how we can start the MS Paint, what are the parts of MS Paint window, what are the tools that we are used in Paint, how we can use different tools for making our drawings, making shapes, doing colors. Okay, let's learn first how to start the MS Paint.
Opening Paint. To open the Paint window on a computer, follow these steps. Move the mouse pointer on the Start button and click on it. The Start menu is displayed. Click on All Programs. Click on Accessories. Click on Paint. The Paint will...
Yes, how to start the Paint? I think you may have done in the class too. So let's quickly revise it. First we will go to the Start button. Then we will click on the All Programs. Then we will click on the Accessories. Then we will select the Paint. That's how then this screen, Paint screen will be displayed on the monitor.
Window gets displayed on the screen. Parts of Paint window.
Then after knowing how to start the MS Paint, let's learn about what are the parts of a Paint window, how it looks like. Yes student, that's all you know, that uppermost the bar, long horizontal bar which has the top of the Paint window is called as title bar. This is called as the title bar. Then there is a blue button on the left side of the bar, that is called Paint button. Then there are several groups on the screen. Then there are several groups, different groups like tools group, image group, and then shapes group, colors group. These all are called together as ribbon. These all are called together as a ribbon. Then this white blank space is called as drawing area. The area where we draw. This is called the drawing area. Let's see.
A Paint window has the following four main parts. Paint button. It provides the basic commands for file operations. That is, file, open, save as, print, exit, etc. Quick Access Toolbar. It contains a set of commands that are specified by the application or selected by the user. Example, save, print, undo, etc. The ribbon. It is a strip containing the sets of tools placed in various groups under several tabs. That is, Home, Image, Tools, etc. Drawing area. It is the white area where you can draw and color the pictures and drawings. Tools section. Different types of tools are used in Paint for performing different functions. Let's learn about some tools available on the Home tab. Fill with Color tool, Text tool,
we have learned about the parts of window. Then come to our next part, that is tool selection. In that we learn what are the tools that are available, different tools that are available in the MS Paint, how we can use them. There are fill with color tool, pencil tool, eraser tool, shapes tool that are used in MS Paint. Let's learn about them. Now fill with color tool is used to fill the colors in drawing. Shapes tool is used to make different shapes in the drawing. Eraser tool is used to erase the mistake in the drawing. Pencil tool is used to make freehand drawing. And text tool is used to insert any text in the drawing.
Brushes. Click on this bar for accessing all the available brushes. Magnifier tool, eraser tool, pencil tool. Color section. By using colors tool, we can choose the foreground and background colors. To choose the foreground color, click on the color 1 button for the foreground colors and choose the color from the colors palette. To choose the button.
Then next is color, choosing a color. How we can choose a color? Foreground color and background color. Background color means the color which are behind the drawing, behind our drawing, and foreground means the color in the drawing. Now if you want to change the color of a foreground color, we will select the color 1 option. Here is the color 1 option. Then if we want to change the background color, then I will change the background from here. Okay. Then suppose I need the different colors from the available colors. These colors are given here. I need some different colors. So what I will do is I will click on the edit colors. Here is the option edit colors. I will click on the edit colors. Then I will select the color according to me.
Background color. Click on the color tool button for the background colors and choose a color from the colors palette. Edit colors helps us to select the colors of our choice and create custom colors in the colors box. To create custom colors, click on the Edit Colors button and Edit Colors window will be shown. Click on the desired color and click on the Add to Custom Colors button. Click on the OK button.
Okay, now we learn about the parts of window, how to start the parts of MS Paint window, how to start MS Paint, and what are the different colors, what are the different tools we use, and how we can change the color of any drawing. Now we will learn about the different tools that are available in the MS Paint. First we will learn about the pencil tool. Pencil tool is used to make freehand drawing. We can change the shape of the pencil or size of the pencil to thinner or to thicker. Let's see.
Making a drawing. To make a drawing in paint, we use the home tab on the ribbon. We can see different tools on it. Let us learn about some of these tools. Pencil tool. This tool looks like a real pencil which is used to draw freehand drawings on the drawing area. The steps to use the pencil tool are: click on the home tab. In the tools group, click on the pencil tool. The cursor changes into sign. Select any color from the colors box by clicking. Press the left mouse button and drag. We can make the pencil thinner and thicker as per your requirement. The steps to set the pencil thickness are: click on the size list box. A list appears containing 4 black lines options.
After selecting the pencil tool, the mouse arrow will change as a pencil. Then if you want to increase the size of the pencil for making drawing, how I will do? Here is a size button. I will click here, then I can select any of the, there are 4 options here, any of the thickness I will select for the making drawing.
To thicken. Select the required thickness of the pencil tip to be precise to make the drawing. Changing the background. In MS Paint, by default, we can apply background, but we can change it according to our requirement. Solid color background. The steps to change the color of the background are: click on the Fill with Color tool. Click on the required color from the color box. Click in the drawing area to fill the selected color.
Yes, student. By default in the MS Paint, white is the background of our drawing. Now if I want to change the background color of the drawing, how I will do it? First I will select the Fill with Color tool. Then I will select the required color. Suppose I want to do the background color as yellow. So what I will do is, I will select the required color from here. From color group, I will select the required color. Then I will bring the mouse pointer here. That mouse pointer will be changed as like this. It will show as a small bucket. Then I will do the click here. Then the background of the drawing will be changed as yellow.
Textured color background. For a textured color background, follow the steps given below. Click on the required color from the color box. Brush up a small area. Repeat the above steps with few other colors. Click on the Square Selection tool from the Image section. Select a small part of the colored area. Press the Shift key and drag the mouse through the working area to get a textured background.
Now next, after selecting the background color, now I want to select texture background. How I will do it? First, I will select the brushes. From the brushes tool, I will select the texture brushes. Then I will select the required color from the color palette. Then what I will do is, I will do the brush with on the drawing with this on a small portion. Then I will select the selection tool. Then I will press the shift key from the keyboard and I will press the mouse pointer. I will drag the mouse pointer. Then that texture will be applied to all the drawing. Next, we will learn about the eraser tool. Student, when you do the work in your notebook, do you commit a mistake? Yes, we commit a mistake while we are doing the work. Now, how we will erase it with the help of eraser? So, same in that way, in MS Paint also there is a eraser tool. By mistake, if we have drawn something wrong, so with the help of eraser tool, I can erase my drawing. After selecting the eraser tool, the mouse pointer will change as a eraser. Now let's see how it will work.
Erase tool. You must have used an eraser to erase a mistake while drawing in a drawing book. You can use eraser in Paint also. The steps to use the eraser tool are: click on the Home tab. In the Tools group, click on the Eraser tool. Drag across the drawing canvas on the drawing which you want to erase. Brushes tool. Brushes tool are used to draw different thin and thick lines. This can be done by selecting the different brush tip of your choice. The steps to use the brushes tool are: click on the Home tab. In the Tools group, click on the arrow of the brushes list box. Select the required brush type.
The next tool that we use is brushes tool. Different brushes styles are given in MS Paint, that are maybe calligraphy or maybe as a texture or it may be as a marker. So we can select the any brush style from the this tools group. Beside the here is the icon given brushes. We can select the any brush type. Then we will select the required color and we can do the drawing on the screen then.
Select any color from the colors box by clicking. Press the left mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area to draw the painting. Text tool. The text tool is used to type the text in your drawing area. You can give titles to your drawing using this tool. The steps to use the text tool are: on the home.
The next tool in the MS Paint is text tool. Suppose I want to write anything on the drawing, I want to give the title to my drawing, then what I will do is I will use the text tool. In the tools group there is an option text tool. Capital A will by capital A it will be shown. Now I will select the text tool. As soon as I will select the text tool, a dotted box will appear on the screen, and from that I will type and in that dotted box I can type any title, any text there. After finishing my writing, I will click outside the box, then the text will be shown on the drawing.
Home tab in the Tools group, click on the Text tool. Click anywhere on the drawing area. A new tab with the name Text appears in the ribbon. Here we can set the font type, size, color and background for text. Type the required text in the text box. Click outside the text box after completion. Different options available in the text tab are shown below. Font name.
Whatever we have typed on the screen, I can change their font, I can change the color, font style, I can apply many changes on the text also.
Click here to see the drop-down list of fonts. Bold, italic, underline, scroll through. Font size. Click here to see the drop-down list of font sizes. Text background. There are two options of text background. Transparent background. This option is used to keep the background of the text area transparent. Opaque background. This option.
Then next is changing the background of the text. Suppose I have typed and I have typed something. I want to change the background of the text also. So I can do that with the help of text background. What I do, I will select first, turn on the text background. Then if I want to keep the background as white color, then I will select the transparent background. And if I want to change the color of the background, then what I will do is I will select the change the background option. Then I will select the desired color from here. Then the background of the text will be changed.
Is used to fill the background of the text area. The steps to set the text background are: after selecting the text tool for typing, click on the required option of text background in the background section on the Home tab. Shapes tools. Paint provides different types of ready-made shapes, ranging from traditional shapes like line, rectangle, ellipse, triangle, and arrows to fun and unusual.
The next tool in the paint is shape tool. Yes, the name suggests what is a shape tool. Shape tool is used to draw different shapes in the drawing. Like we can use the ellipse tool is used to make the circle or oval. Then rectangle tool is used to make the square or rectangle. Polygon tool is used to make a shape with more than 3 or 4 sides. So in this way we can draw any shape. And how to fill the color in the shape? How to color the shape? How I will do the colors in the shape? Then first I will select the fill with color tool. Then I will select the desired color as color 1. Then I will bring the mouse pointer to the shape and I will click on the shape. Then the required color will be filled in the shape.
Shapes like heart, lightning bolt, etc. If we want to make our own custom shape, we can use the polygon shape. The steps to use the shapes tools are: click on the Home tab in the Shapes group. Click on the required shape. Select the options from the outline and the list boxes. If required, select any color from the colors box by clicking. Press the left mouse button and drag the mouse on the drawing area to draw the selected shape.
So students, in this chapter we learned about MS Paint. How to make the drawing, what are the different tools that we use in the paint, how to color them. We learned how to insert the text, how to write the text, how to edit the text, how to change the background of the text. So I hope you have enjoyed the drawing. Okay, now in our next video we will read out the chapter and solve the back exercise. I hope you have understood the chapter and enjoyed the painting. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.